Hi guys, it's me, Napkin Puppet. So, today, I'm playing Flicky Marble on my phone. I just downloaded it last night. So, yeah. And, right here, I completed all of the levels here. And I went to another place. It's called World 2. Yeah, you get to play some more levels there. So yeah, so here is this level. I actually completed the I actually completed all of the I actually completed the sliders level finally. Like, that's because it was so much easier on mobile. Oh yeah. So sadly you start off with 3 lives. But hey, you get to have extra lives. Oh, it's a stupid it's always homescape sads, and I don't want that. Doesn't seem like it's still home. Well, so I've gone really far. It's because I don't want to be stuck on one game forever and have the longest video ever. That's why I always do the levels first. You see?
Well, as a single mom of 2 and an entrepreneur, and all the different hats that I wear, sometimes I just need a break. It's a game called Jewels of Rome, and you can play it on your phone. It's an app. Let me show you what it looks like. You play the, matching 3 game, but then you also get to build your own city, and it's all set in Roman times, which I love because it's so different from reality now. There's mythical gods and goddesses and emperors, and it's just this great getaway for, I think, anyone, but especially moms. So go download it, play with me. It'll be a blast.
I'm not gonna play that game at all. It's girlish. Well, I'm gonna show you a cool surprise at the end of this thing. It's very interesting. It's a boss level. So, surprisingly, it is kind of easy. So here it is. Yeah, these are the minty eggs. Yeah, they're bad. I'm the sour stemless cherry. Yeah, this thingy right here, the marble, reveals a fish inside of it. And look, this is a very cool part. I like it. Look. Yeah! It did it! Well, I'm gonna show you this place. It's green! Yeah! It has a different kind of blue. It's the background. This one, it has pink as the background, and the whole world is pink. Yeah, including all these tiles in that world. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you this one. I don't want to play this one anymore. It's such a hard level, and it's impossible to beat. But hey, I've gotten kind of good at it. Yeah. Well, I have to complete it by watching a bunch of random homescapes ads. And another other kind of ads, I guess. Oh, and they're all ads that are with games that I don't want, and they can be kind of kiddish. Oh my gosh! Whoa! Let's go up here. Let's see. I'm not playing this. No. Well, I'm gonna start. Now I'm gonna go to here. It's the second level, and it's called Forest. I'm not gonna do the full levels because after a while they get kind of boring. No, every time I die, I might redo it again. Yeah, here's nothing to it. But I always, some of the time, I always, do, every time I always die, I was just, do the next level. Yeah. You bad minty egg. There we go, minty egg is gone. Alright, and we started. Like the whole level, the whole rest of the level is kind of the same. So right here, it is the temple. I think it's really cool. I like it a lot, and it is super easy, including the second part of temple. It is really easy. It's just a maze. It's a maze. Yeah, it's like super freaking easy. Yeah. And I've gone really far. I'm almost finished with like World 3. Yeah, hey, Mickey Egg, come on. I hate the Mickey Eggs. They're so annoying. They're like postal. I don't know what else to call them. It sounds like a house, I guess, but my dad calls them hostel. And yeah, I call them hostel. And there's a Minty Egg. Oh my gosh, that Minty Egg is done. Right here. Oh yay, Minty Egg died. Yeah. Sour Sandwich Cherry. Good job. Yeah. Sour Sandwich Cherry. I always call it that. I like it. Or did I mention that I call it Sour Sandwich Cherry earlier in the video? Okay. Let's go to here. See, it's like a maze. It's very nice and fun. Mazes are cool. I like them. Over there. And this is very easy. This level is like the easiest one on World 2, I guess. Yeah! Finally did it! Yeah! No. This one, because it's like a land of minty eggs. If I die, I will go to the next level, because the rest of the level is pretty much the same. Yeah. So, yeah. Here is this. Oh, yeah. The fishy and the marble. You can download it on mobile. If you download it on the TV with like a TV remote, that would be kind of hard. So yeah. So I kind of recommend downloading it on mobile. Please, I just want to make it right. Oof. Oh, I farted. Yeah, I farted. Well, that was good. Oh yeah, these ones right here, these spikes are hard. Okay, come on. Yeah, it's another battle. But the minty egg isn't here. Luckily, the minty egg kind of made it a little bit hard. Hey. Oh, that sucks. Those are the spiky limes, yeah. Just stop doing that already. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Well, let's go to World 3. And I cannot do this one. It's like the most impossible level ever. So I'm gonna go to this. The spiky oranges, yeah. The spiky oranges versus sour sandwich cherry. And yeah. Oh, spiky lemons. They just want to kiss me. They try following me. Ew. Oh. Okay. Do you hear the planes in the background? Yeah. I always have airplanes flying around. Ew. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I make it. If I don't, I'll be angry. If I die, I'm going to... Alright. Here goes nothing. This one! Ew, I really like this one. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. The next level, I'm gonna try it out. I haven't gone on it yet because I wanted to wait. Besides, see it, it's called Castle. Yeah, every time you unlock a new level, at the end it tells you the name. Yeah, like at the end of the game once you complete the game. Like this exact level. Yeah. Right. I think this one is very easy. Oh no! All these minty eggs are just being so hard. Oh no! Lucy, take those. Oh, it's one of the teeters, I guess. There are a couple in the game. This one is the good teeter, the very easy one. I don't know why they're called teeters. I think they're called teeters. Oh, yeah. Hey, come on. Hey. Yeah, good. No, I'm not falling down. Yeah. This is the kind of hard part. Somehow it's darker, if I could say. Oh, yeah! I made it! Yay! Alright, now here's this one. I think that music's really good. Yeah. So I have to speak louder, I guess. Yeah. Alright. I really love this music. It's so interesting. I love this level. It's really cool. It is. It's really good music. I love this. It kind of reminds me of the music on like Battle, like and Skippy. Those two levels. Right. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, these things right here are kind of hard to use. Yeah. Right. Go. Sliding on those sliders. Come back with the sliders. Just like on the forest, the sliders were there. So I think the castle is so cool. This music. Well, I have to continue. See, they're just dumb games. You know, why are they using their pointer finger? I always use the thumb. It's weird. I'm not even interested in these random things. Yeah. Right, I got it. Is there no more music? Guess so. Well, let's keep on doing it. It's so much fun. Alright, just go. Why won't this go? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's cool. Oh, no. Okay, I think I have to do another ad. Oh. Quick one. I like quick ads. Actually, picture ads. Okay, they aren't just, like, filling up your whole screen, and, like, you can easily exit out very easily. In a millisecond. Yeah, alright, so I've kind of done it for you. Oh my gosh. So hard already. Yeah. I've got this one right now. I've got this. This is one of my favorite levels, I don't know why. I'm so excited to see World 4. More. I'd rather just prepare this video. They're just 5 seconds. Ooh, that was. I've got this. It's just so hard. Walls are not high enough. That stupid hole. That hole that just made me fall into is a butthole. Come on, just go. Yeah. I've got this alright. There's something that's blocking marble. Come on, let it go. Yes! Yes! I'm at the bus level, finally. See him with some stuff. Sour Summers Cherry recent this one. Metal. Boy. Oh, yay. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Yay. Whoa. Orange background. This is cool. Whoa. Now look at this. I like this a lot. I'm so excited. Okay, let's play. Whoa. Race. Interesting. Yeah. This is some fun. Right here. I think that's my best. This is very easy. I don't know why I'm saying it. This is like super easy. Not not at all. This is the best. Yeah. Okay. Does that mean there's like 2 hearts and doing this. There's like place 1 with 2, there's place 3, and there's place 2 with 4. I'm scared. I'm fine with 2 and 3. I'm like this one. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, I can do this. I can do this. This is hard right here. I can continue with another random ad. These games seem kind of boring. That's why I play Flicky Marble. It's not here somehow. I don't want. Actually, games I don't want. They're just in some ads, I guess. Oh, it's so hard being me. I'm just a poor napkin that just doesn't want random games I don't want. Alright, let's go. Yeah. That's what's hard about this. And you know, this game is 4+. I bet some 4-year-olds have raged from this game, I guess. But I love it a lot. Yeah. Come on. I can do it. I can do it. Hopefully it's going to be good this time. Oh boy, I turned into this thing. The clear ball with a fish. The fish, I guess. It's a return of these spiky oranges. If I get hit by one of these spiky oranges, I did. Well, finally, I did it. Yeah! Oh my gosh! This one. Yes, let's go. Those huge minty eggs. That's why it's called sumo. Oh boy. Well, one of them fell off. They're fat like sumo wrestlers, I guess. The sumo wrestlers are big series of mini minty egg. Small one, and a big one. Yeah. Well, looks like I've done this pretty well, I guess. Yeah. Well, looks like that I'm going to complete this. After this, I'm going to stop playing this. Yeah, I'm so glad I've gotten so far. The small monkey egg fell off. Let's see. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Just stop touching me, you gross fat boy. Oh yay! Finally, I did it. Yes, let's go. Whoa. Well, that was fun. Well, yeah. Bye, guys. Yeah.